Hi, it's Chris from Cricut. In this video, I'll show you how to make these simple thank you tags. The idea is we would attach them to gift bags after a child's birthday party. I'll be using my Cricut Joy, a Cricut Joy pen, a roller, scissors, and a mat, as well as some cardstock. But you can use any Cricut cutting machine for this project. There's a lot of what we call ready-to-make projects on the home screen of Design Space, but I'll click New Project in the upper right and then move over to the toolbar and click Image because I want to make a custom project around an image. I'll search for gift tags in the top search bar. You can see it returns thousands of results. The lowercase a shows these images are part of the Cricut Access subscription, but I'm going to click the ownership filter and then free to show you the images that come for free with Design Space. And we're going to click on the heart and insert that onto what's called the canvas. And I'm going to change the color of this heart to pink because that's the color of cardstock that I'm using. Next, I'm going to click text on the left-hand toolbar. That's that big T. I'm going to write my message. Now I'll change the font by going up under font in the left-hand top corner. Clicking on that box, you can choose from the drop-down or put something in the search bar, which is what I did. You can see I'm grabbing that arrow at the bottom right of the bounding box to shrink or make bigger that text. And here I need to make it into two levels, so I'm going to double click on the text, and the box shows up. I'm going to put my cursor in and tap return and then align it to center under alignment at the top, make it a little smaller, and now I can fit that text right inside of my gift tag. Okay, now I'm going to select the text and go to line type in the upper left hand corner and change that cut to draw, and that means that Cricut Joy is going to first draw that text and then cut the heart out around it in one simple project. Now I'm going to shrink the size of the heart because I want a certain size for my gift bags, and then I'm going to pull over the text into the middle and shrink that a little bit as well. Now I'll move the words over to the heart, shrink them to fit them in the middle. And next I'm going to paint both the heart and the words and click attach in the bottom right. This will allow the words to be printed in the middle of the heart on the same mat. This makes it easy to copy and paste both the image and the words by right clicking. Next I'll arrange my 4 tags on the canvas, taking care not to go beyond 4.5 inches, which is the width limit of the Cricut Joy. If I was using an Explorer or a Maker, we could make that width up to 11.5 inches. Here I'm going to choose on mat. Cricut Joy does use smart materials without a mat, but I'm using cardstock for this project without a mat. You can see over on the left it says draw and cut. It's a good thing to check since I'll be drawing my labels first and then cutting. Here I'm going to choose cardstock for my material. You can see the prompt is telling me to load my material into the machine and then go ahead and change out my blade for the pen because with this project we're going to be drawing first. So I'll put my cardstock on my mat, roll it, take the blade out of the clamp and just drop in the pen. Next I'll load my mat into the Cricut Joy with some light pressure, and here I'll speed the video up a little bit, but you can see it's drawing the gift tags on my cardstock. Now my gauge has reached 100% and Design Space is prompting me to load the fine point blade back into the Cricut Joy. I'll open the clamp, remove the pen, and drop the blade back into the machine and close the clamp. Again, I'll just follow the prompt when my cut is complete to unload my mat. And next I'll put the mat upside down, cardstock down, and pull the mat off of the cardstock so it doesn't bend the cardstock. Always remember to put the protective cover back on the mat. That keeps it sticky for the next project. Now I'll take the gift tags out of the cardstock, and here the last step is to use a weeding tool to punch out the holes so I can attach my gift tags to my bags.